Hello, I'm Grant Stecker with Rulon Production Systems. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at one of our core product families, the lift table. Rulon Production Systems offers two types of lift tables, hydraulically actuated and pneumatically actuated. Today, we're going to be looking at our 3,000-pound pneumatic lift. However, this product is also available in standard capacities up to 8,000 pounds or custom size if you need a larger for your application. Our hydraulic lifts are built to withstand the demands of manufacturing and are easy and safe to implement into your operation. Our tables are available with standard capacity of 8,000 pounds with a collapse height of 8 inches and a vertical stroke of 35 inches. Our tables are built of solid steel construction, including the cross arms, and feature self-lubricating Rulon bearings. Our lift tables are also designed for off-center loading and are built to the highest standards in the lift table industry. Thanks for joining us today to take a closer look at our hydraulic lift table product family. This product is available at our standard sizes up to 8,000 pounds capacity. If you're looking for a larger size, we also offer custom engineered solutions. For more information on this product and others, visit AlignProductionSystems.com.